Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, here we have our book Computer My Companion, and today we are going to read out page number 32 plus page number 33. Students, today we are going to learn about mouse and printer. Start with the mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that allows you to point and click anywhere on the monitor screen. It consists of two buttons and a scroll wheel. The mouse pointer is an arrow on the computer screen, which moves as you move the mouse. The mouse can also be used to draw pictures. When you write a letter to your friend on the computer, it can be seen only on screen. But if you want, you can print this letter and get a hard copy of your work by using a printer. Let's start our reading. Mouse. Here is a picture of a mouse. As we can see that here we have a picture of a mouse. Can you see there are buttons on it? Students, here we have a picture of a mouse and we can see that here we have two buttons on a mouse, left button and right button. The mouse is kept on a mouse pad. Students, as you can see that here we have a mouse on a mouse pad. We should use mouse on a mouse pad always. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, an arrow like pointer moves on the screen. Students, when you move mouse on the mouse pad, an arrow like pointer, as you can see in the picture, moves on the screen. Pressing or clicking the mouse buttons sends instructions to the computer. Students, when we press the mouse buttons, we can hear the sounds of click. And when we click the button and when we press the button, we can send instructions to the computer. Then you can also use the mouse to draw pictures on the computer screen. Students, we also can use the computer mouse to draw pictures on the monitor. Then here we have an extra bit, extra information. Mouse and keyboard are called input devices because they are used to give instructions to the computer. Students, as you learn that mouse and keyboard are used to give instructions to the monitor and CPU, so they are input devices. Now go to the page number 33. Students, here we have printer. When you type something through the keyboard, you can see it on the monitor. Sometimes you may want to see it on paper. This can be done by using a printer. When we write a letter to our friend on the computer, we can type with the help of keyboard and we can see it on the monitor screen, but it only can be seen on a monitor. If we want to see it on a paper, then we have to use printer. Printer helps us to see our letter, our assignment in a paperwork. Our printer helps you to see your work printed on paper. As we knew that whatever we write on a computer, we can get a hard copy of this work by using a printer. The printer is also connected to the CPU by a cable. Students, as you can see, here we have CPU and printer, and they are connected by a cable. Here we have one more extra bit for information. Monitor and printer are called output devices because they show or give the result of work done by the computer. Students, as we learned that mouse and keyboard are used to give instructions to the monitor and printer, and we can see the all instructions on monitor, and we can see our work on a paper with the help of printer. So monitor and printer are called output devices because it gives us the result. It's enough for today. Students, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.